An off-leash dog attack in BC. A small little Labradoodle is attacked by two big dogs. Can you legally sue someone if they attacked your dog? Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Click there to subscribe. Hit the bell to sign up for notifications. Then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book. Little Benji, picture there, he's being walked in a park near Vancouver. And all of a sudden, two big dogs, a big Rottie, a big Shepherd, come running at him. They attack him. The owner said as soon as she saw these two big dogs running at her dog, like she yelled, like, grab your dog. One dog, it pinned her dog down. The other dog started grabbing him. Like, unreal. Little Benji's gonna be okay, but it really could have turned out the wrong way. I definitely had a reaction to reading this story, because Tula, I mean, she's been attacked more than a few times by some of these big, aggressive, off-leash dogs. Not super well socialized, and they shouldn't be off-leash. Where do you stand with the law? Fortunately, with little Benji, she had a couple of things. One, she contacted animal control after the attack. Turns out one of the dogs that had a history with animal control, the owner was given $1,200 fines from the municipality. Secondarily, someone videoed it. They had a videotape where you had their cell phone out, and they actually had a video of the attack. According to a lawyer in Vancouver who specializes in animal law, they said the law states that if harm is reasonably foreseeable, then the owner of the dog, aka the Shepherd and the Rottweiler, they need to take reasonable steps from preventing that from happening. Another lawyer who specializes in animal cases suggests you gathering evidence. You need video, photographs, like what happened, witness statements. Third, gather all your expenses, get a copy of all the expense records. But part of the issue though is that animals are still deemed personal property. So you can actually be suing for emotional distress, even though obviously you should be able to do so. If a dog were to attack Tula and injure her, I'd be suing for a lot more than just financial costs. Unfortunately, the cases, they aren't always cut and dried. This one lawyer makes the comparison that, say, your dog is, inside your fenced yard, another dog happens to jump in, attack your dog. Well, it's pretty clear cut, right? Your dog is controlled, this dog went after your dog. But if all of you are out at an off-leash dog park and then there's an incident, it's like, you could still go through all of this expense. You should still go to small claims court. You still may not win anything though. In Benji's incidents, it looks like Benji's owner has a good case, right? There's an animal with a history with animal control. They actually have a videotape of the incident. It's like pretty compelling. And if we were really serious about avoiding, dog attacks, you make the consequences far higher. I find most of the time, like most owners, they know something's happened. I mean, it's not like the first time. He's never done this before. How many times have you heard that? If I'm in an off-leash area, it's not my job to put my sedate, never will attack another little dog, small dog on a leash if you've got the big aggressive dog. I am curious what you guys think. I mean, obviously the situation isn't just cut and dried, and dogs kind of like people. Sometimes they can have their off days, sometimes they can be a bit prickly, who knows what. Do you not think it should be easier, if your dog is attacked by another dog? In my opinion, it should be a lot easier for you to recover some of those veterinary costs. Secondarily, I don't think you feel you should have to go to some big small claims court. Make the consequences, make the fines bigger. Make it easier for someone to get a claim if their dog is attacked. Last, just prevent this from happening in the first place. If your dog has been aggressive in some way and you happen to be somewhere where there's other dogs, just put your dog on a leash. Thanks for watching. It's Dr. Jones.